Hi, I'm Stephanie for Adorama TV. Today, I'm going to talk to you about some of the features on the Insta360 ONE R action camera. The ONE R Twin Edition includes both the dual-lens 360 module as well as a 4K lens that shoots up to 60 frames per second. On the ONE R 1-inch edition, Insta360 joined forces with Leica to provide a premium 1-inch sensor. You've got legendary Leica optical design and stunning dynamic range, all in a rugged, compact body. The ONE R comes with Insta360's gimbal-like stabilization called flow state, which ensures your footage stays clear and steady, even while you're moving or in low light. The ONE R's invisible selfie stick lets you capture easy aerial angles and unique third-person perspectives with the flick of a wrist while using the dual-lens 360 mod. You can also use the selfie stick with the bullet time accessory, which allows you to swing the camera around you for a really cool 360-degree effect. The ONE R is IPX8 waterproof to 5 meters or around 16 feet deep. So whether it's a rainy day, you're in a pool, or you get tackled by a giant wave in the ocean, the ONE R can handle it. ShotLab is a really fun post feature on the ONE R that makes creative edits easy. There are a range of smart templates that are continuously updated and walk you through the latest 360-degree camera techniques. They guide you on what and how to shoot for the desired effect and automatically master your edit. In time shift mode, you can highlight key moments with cinematic slow-mo or speed things up with a stabilized hyperlapse. Overall, the Insta360 ONE R is a versatile, modular, feature-packed action camera that's really fun and easy to use. For more info on the Insta360 ONE R action camera, click on the link below. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Adorama TV for more videos like this one. See you next time.